Hey, what's up, boys and girls? This is your salty Alaskan Rambo right here. Thirsty Thursday rants. Having a little bit of vino. Enjoying this manipulated weather of a day. Yeah. I hope it's coming through alright. It's new phone. It's not as good as my other phones, but I don't really give a shit because AI can kiss my ass. And that's one thing about AI. That's the, give a little bit of background there. AI is, well, who created AI? What mindset created AI? All I see is a bunch of overweight, slobby epitome of the American consumer, globalist consumer bullshit happening nonstop all over the place. It's been that way for a long time. So, do we just sit back and watch it all get destroyed? Or do you get off your fucking ass and go boot to ass and take care of your fucking communities? You know, all this stuff, you know, this AI, all these grifts, this racism bullshit happening again, all this propaganda. It's only for the stupid idiots that live in suburbia and fucking goddamn, you know, these shithole fucking cities and everything. While they rant and rave non-fucking stop about 50 or 60 white South African farmers, the Dutch coming to America as refugees. Like, really? Wasn't everyone a refugee when they got here? Some got spoiled, some are a bunch of fucking assholes, whatnot. Even me, being an indigenous person, it's like, I have no problem with anyone that wants to actually do something that contributes to a community, that actually contributes to the people around them. Because not everyone has the same skill set. Everyone has different skills. Dutch got green thumbs. I got green thumbs. I'm a Jeff of all trades. But I don't know everything. I want to live long enough. I want to live hundreds of years. Fuck it. Why not? But that's not going to be the case if we have all this AI and all this crap in the hands of bad people, let alone just AI in general. All the radio frequencies, all the fucking bullshit. Did anyone ever watch that Will Smith movie, I, Robot? I mean, Blade Runner with Harrison Ford and Rucker Howard and Daryl Hannah. And fucking so many people in that movie, too. Terminator is another one. You know, we're already there. We're already fucking there. The algorithms. You get banned off of one site like Fascist Book. You know, Facebook, Meta, YouTube, Twitch, all that shit. I've been kicked off of all of them. Still allowed to be there on one channel. I will be part of the class action lawsuit against these companies that control all of our communication. Hopefully one day. I don't want money. I want justice. I want accountability. And it's frustrating to not see any accountability. It's so bad, even here in Alaska on the Kenai Peninsula, where, yeah, we have sales tax, illegal. Property tax, illegal. I didn't come from a part of Alaska that had property tax or sales tax. Why the fuck do we have that down here? While they close more schools, our kids are fucking dumber than shit. You know, shit for brains. You know why it's called shit for fucking brains? is because when you shit, it's all the stuff that wasn't usable to maintain anything, nutrition-wise and whatnot. No, it's excrement. It's the trash. It's the garbage. You got shit for fucking brains. That's our school systems. That's our fucking mentality of people all over the fucking place. It's insane. It's sickening. By definition. It gets tiring. But it's also uplifting and it gives you that energy of still have faith in humanity. You know, women are fucking superheroes, dude. They create little fucking we's. They create us. It's like, better be good to your females. Better be good to your children. Be good to your fellow man. All I see is a bunch of grotesque motherfuckers running around selfish. Just selfish. While our own government and our police, our troopers, our enforcement of the law is to protect the criminals. Did that ever occur to anybody that our court system wasn't to protect the people that are innocent and good? No, they treat criminals like they're the victims of the society that they created on their own. Name me one fucking person that's ever grown anything in their life, done anything for their own selves in their life, claim to be a fucking victim and do bad. No, my wife and I are treated like we're the fucking criminals because we work hard and we get things that we want in our life. But when that's stolen from us, they're the victim and we're the criminals for having things for people to steal. What type of fucking society is that? Not one that I want to fucking assimilate with. So you can go kiss my fucking ass and you can go fuck yourself. Help yourself. Self-governance. Get a fucking gun and learn how to use it. Because this shit's going to pop off bigger than ever. And it could be solved real fast. Real fast. So it'd be nice to see some accountability in life. It'd be nice in my Gen X time on this fucking planet to see some fucking real accountability. We don't call the cops. We get mountain justice. Around here, we're pretty close to the fucking water. Not living on a mountain, even though I'm a goat. I'm down in a hole. It's nice down in here. It's fucking sweet. Got a place on top of a fucking hill. It's fucking sweet. Keep your head on a swivel. Grow your own food. Learn some sort of trade that is beneficial to reality. Not some false fucking prophet, some false fucking god, some false fucking AI bullshit. We're surrounded by so much radiation and frequency. We're the only ones in our neighborhood where we live right here that doesn't have one of those fucking goddamn cancerous smart meters while everyone's all jacked up on fucking goddamn Starnet and shit or whatever the fucking Skynet bullshit, fucking Starlink, fucking SpaceX crap. I could care less about fucking Mars. I could care less about the fucking moon landing, which was fake as fuck. I mean, who the fuck put the camera on the moon to watch them get on a fucking pod? I mean, come on. It's fucking insane. In a cloth white fucking suit. Really? I've been in the deep sea diving, big fucking copper helmet apparatuses and everything. Yeah. Don't tell me they're going out the fucking goddamn space in a fucking vacuum, zero gravity, and yeah, fuck. Believe what you want. I believe in what's real. This is real. That's real. See, wounds are real. Hard work is real. Putting your hands in the dirt is real. I love this planet. Why the fuck would I want to leave this planet? I just want to rid the planet of all the infestation of the fuckers that want to fucking destroy it. And you should too. So, without further ado, this has been yet another Thursday rant, brought to you by yours truly, Salty Alaskan Rambo. Cheers from Alaska, everybody. Salty Alaskan Rambo out.